Hi viewers, we can't live without food. Actually, we need food all the time. And whenever we make food, we want something different. So that's the reason that I'm going to show you the Black Forest pudding. For that, I need the cake first. Now we are going to do the cake. 180 grams sugar we add first. Then we have 5 eggs. Yolks and the white together 5 eggs. That is 180 gram sugar, 5 eggs. But before I beat, what I am going to do is I have 150 grams of butter which I am going to melt it. When the saucepan is warm, automatically the butter will start melting. Now what I am going to do is, I don't want it to get burnt. So we will leave as it is and we start beating the sugar and the eggs. Sugar and the eggs. Slowly increase, keep beating in the same direction. Sugar has to dissolve and the eggs should get beaten very well. Now that is nicely beaten. The flour, 180 grams of flour I have taken, and 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, and roughly a pinch of bicarbonate of soda, and I need 3 teaspoons of cocoa into this. Sift once into the mixture itself. Now a pinch of salt also we add. Mix it well. While I keep beating again in the same direction, little by little I increase. I will add the melted butter which has got slightly cool. Now the mixture is ready. We mixed all this together now. Do not forget, we need a little vanilla essence and we would like to use a little bit of chocolate essence also. Mix it. Now I have got 2 trays here. You could see it. If I say 2 trays, it's easy to bake. If not, I have to have it in 1 tray, cut into 2 and use it. Now what I am going to do is butter the oil paper plus the tray. Now what are we going to do? Put the mixture equal quantity into each. I have put into 2 trays. I am going to bake this. Now to bake it, as I told you, first thing that we have to do is, just now I on the oven and we have to see that it's 180 centigrades and we bake for 20 minutes. We bake this for 20 minutes. We bake for 20 minutes and take it. After that we will do the gateau. My cakes are ready. Once it's baked, allow it to cool. The time that we leave it to cool, I have to do something else. To make the sugar syrup, I need 3/4 cup of water. Add into the pan. Sugar, 100 grams. Together, we are going to heat till the sugar dissolves. The syrup, sugar syrup only we have to make. Actually, the cake has to be softened by this sugar syrup only. So we will boil this nicely. Sugar syrup should get nicely boiled but not soft ball consistency. About 3 to 4 times when it gets boiled, it's enough. While it is getting boiled, I will add a little vanilla essence, little chocolate essence. I have off the cooker. Pour into a bowl and keep it ready. Now that is ready. Now what I am going to do is, I put one cake into the bowl, one cake, and prick with the fork. This sugar syrup, we have to soften the cake. Soften the cake by using the sugar syrup. Now prick the other cake also. For the other cake also, I will soften by putting the sugar syrup. While you are doing this, we put vanilla essence and we used chocolate essence. If you like, you can use about half a teaspoon of brandy so that the cake will be preserved well. We buy this whipping cream, only the whipping cream. Only the whipping cream. I will explain now how we made this whipping cream. Grated cooking chocolate, then and there grate it and put so that it will be nice and tasty. Put the balance whipping cream. Okay, we spreaded this out. Now I am going to put the cooking chocolate. This is cooking chocolate which you are not supposed to keep in the fridge. It has to be kept in the cupboard, not in the fridge. If you keep it in the fridge and take it out, you won't be able to grate it like this. A star nozzle we put into the bag. Put the same whipping cream. Same whipping cream we are piping now like a rose. The cherries with the stem. To make the whipping cream, actually I bought the Red Man whipping cream in a large box. That's only whipping cream, you can whip it nicely. Take a bowl of ice or ice water, keep the mixture, that is, the whipping cream, it's like a cream, it's like a milk which you add a little and start beating. As you beat and beat and beat, it will become nice and creamy and thick. That a box of if you buy a box, it will be a big quantity you will get. When you say big quantity, it's for 3 puddings you can use. So for 1 pudding I use, the balance I have already kept in the fridge. That means little by little only the milk has to be beaten and taken as a thick cream. As the milk gets beaten, it becomes thick. Then you put it into a box and keep it in the fridge. Whenever you want, you can use the whipping cream. This is the only whipping cream, we get it here, and then this whipping cream can be used. I am giving you the finer point of this so that you know what is whipping cream, which you can use it, beat it, and you get a nice texture. This pudding which I have done now, I am going to keep it in the fridge, not in the freezer, and you can use it today, tomorrow, or for a week even I can keep and use it. Whenever guests come, there you get the Black Forest pudding. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you will enjoy by making this Black Forest pudding, because I have given you the finer point in that, so that how to get the whipping cream, how you are going to make the whipping cream, and the Black Forest pudding is ready. So I hope you will enjoy by watching my program. Thank you.